Welcome back everyone. Quick question before we begin. Have you ever wondered how websites let you jump from one page to another? Or how they even display beautiful images? Well, today we are going to learn the simple HTML tags that makes all this magic happen. And hey, if you are new in this channel, a big welcome to you. Before we get started, I just want to tell you that I'm on a journey to reach my first 1000 subscribers. So if you are enjoying this HTML series and want to support the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me keep creating more tutorials like this for you. Segment 1. Chapter Introduction. Welcome back everyone. So far we have learned how to structure pages, add tags and organize content with lists. But a web page without links or images feels like kind of empty, right? So in this chapter we are exactly going to do that. We are going to bring your page to life by adding hyperlinks, which will connect one page to another, and add images which will make your content visual and engaging. So let's jump in and learn how to make your page both interactive and beautiful. Segment 2. The anchor tag. The internet is built on links. Every time you click something to go to another page, you are actually using an anchor tag written as A. The A stands for anchor and it's used to create nothing but hyperlinks. The most important part of a link is the href attribute, which is short for hypertext reference. And here's the example. Now when you load this in your browser, you'll see a blue underline link that says visit Google. Click on it and it will take you directly to the Google homepage. Pretty simple, right? But that's not it. We can do a lot more with links. Let's explore all the avenues. Segment 3. Opening links in a new tab. Sometimes you want a link to open in a new tab, like when you want to send visitors to an external website, and you can do this with the target attribute. The value blank tells the browser to open the link in a new tab. So just be careful, don't use blank for every link. Opening too many tabs can actually annoy users, so make sure you use it mainly for external links. Segment 4. Linking to internal pages. Now let's talk about internal links. Links that connect page within your own website. Now let's create a new folder. In the folder, let us create 3 files: index.html, about.html, and contact.html. You can link to them like this. Now when we click on About Us, it will actually take me to the About page. Now if your pages are in subfolders that is structured like this, you need to write the subfolder name and the file name. And if you need to go up one folder, use .. Understanding relative paths is actually essential for multi-pages website. So before we continue, if this video is helping you learn HTML, go ahead and tap that subscribe button so that you don't miss the next chapter in the series. Okay, let's keep it going. Segment 5. Linking to sections on the same page. You can also link to a specific section on the same page. Super helpful when you are working on a long pages or a documentation. First, give the element an ID. Then link it like this. The hash tells the browser to look for that ID, and when you click on it, it will scroll directly to that section. No JavaScript needed. And this is actually great when you are creating a table of content, or maybe when you want a button that will take you to the top of your page. Segment 6. Special links, email and phone. Now you can even make links that open email apps or maybe dial phone numbers for you. For email, you can use this. And when you click on it, it will directly open the email app. And for phone, like this. On mobile, when you click on it, it will directly open the dialer, and this is perfect for business websites. Segment 7. Adding images. Now let's add some visuals to IMG tag, and it's written like this. The IMG stands for image, the SRC stands for the source from where you will get your image file. The ALT stands for alternative, which is used for accessible description. The width and height is actually an optional control. You can either do it over here, otherwise you can do it later in the CSS as well. Always write meaningful alternative tags because it will help users, and search engines. Segment 8. Absolute versus relative paths. Just like links, images can also be relative and absolute. Relative paths are best when the image is part of your project. And absolute paths works for external images, though hosting your own images is safer and more reliable. So I would always recommend for you to use the relative path instead of using an absolute path. Segment 9. Making images clickable. So now, you can also make image clickable, and those are great for logos, banners, or buttons. So what we do here is we'll just wrap an image inside the anchor tag, something like this. Now clicking the image opens the NASA website, and this is great for hyperlink for logos, banners, or buttons. Segment 10. Image accessibility and SEO. Alternative text isn't just for accessibility, it also helps with SEO. Search engines read the alternative text to understand what kind of images and what your images represent. Also use descriptive file name so that it will be easy for the browser or the search engine optimizer to understand what kind of image you are loading. Something like this and not like this. Small details like this make your site more professional and discoverable. Segment 11. Bonus responsive images. Here is a quick bonus. HTML5 gives us the picture element. This improves load times and visual quality on different devices. And you can use the picture element like this. This picture element allows different images depending on the screen size. Segment 12. Practice challenge. Let's test your skills now. Create a file called linkimages.html and include the following: a navigation bar with internal links for home, about, and contact, an external link that opens in a new tab, email and phone links in a contact section, and 2 images, one from the local and one from the web with good alternative text. Finally, 1 clickable image, maybe your logo linking to a home page. Now save it and open it and test every link. You're officially connecting the web. Segment 13. Wrap up. Awesome work, guys. Your website are no longer static. They're interactive, navigable, and visually engaging. Now, if you found this helpful, I would love your support on my journey to 1K subscribers. Hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and keep the series going. In the next chapter, we are going to discuss about HTML5 semantic tags, where we'll explore elements like header, main, footer to give your pages structure and meaning. Now take a quick stretch and I'll see you in the next chapter. Thank you.